Hey guys, what's up? So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a review over this Too Faced Let It Snow Girl kit. It retails for $49 and you can find it at Ulta or Sephora. I'm also going to be touching on this Too Faced Gingerbread Girl liquid lipstick and it retails for $21. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on these products, let's go ahead and jump in. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's so cute, all set up like that. And then on the back it shows you what you get inside. So let's go ahead and bust this baby open. Alrighty, just so you guys know, they don't stick together. Like I thought they would have like a strong magnet hold, but they don't. You could put them on you could put it on top of each other and they kind of cling to each other, but then she looks melted. So I'm first gonna start with the bottom of the Snow Girl, which is the eyeshadow part. These are all the beautiful colors, and as you guys can see, mine's already scratched up just from opening and closing it. For some reason, this like cardboard just scratches the other cardboard and it doesn't look as nice anymore. So all I have on my eyes right now is just some concealer and translucent powder. So the first color I'm going to take is Crumb Luck, and these eyeshadows are so tiny, like my brush just fits perfectly in there. But this is just a really light cool tone brown and she has some pigment there. I could smell it when I put it on. Smells like cookies. These have quite the powder kick up. Hopefully you guys could see that. The next color I'm taking is Cookies Served. You barely have to tap your brush in there. Oh my gosh, these are all straight pigment right away. Ooh, that's pretty. I have to go in with this obvious slay color. It's so pretty. It's that burnt orange. I keep wanting to hold this like if it's a mirror and it's not. I love this color. Like, look at that. It just goes on there so fast. Pumpkin patch vibes. Going in with the darkest color in the palette, which is a super deep brown. It's called Chocolate Wasted. Come on, pigment. I feel like that's all I'm saying, but there is nothing going wrong whatsoever. Let's go in with some shimmers now. I'm going to take the color Tiny Prancer on my finger. From just using the first shimmer, I do feel like they could be a little bit more metallic and easier to go on. It's taking some packing, but she's on there. So you guys know I have to use the Snow Globe color because it's a pressed glitter. It probably won't go with the look, but I really want to use it in the review so we could see how it does. Now it doesn't come with any glitter glue or anything to use with it, so I'm just going to try to use it on its own and hopefully it goes okay. So I'm just going to take that on my finger. Ooh, it feels really gritty. It feels like straight up glitter. I feel like you would need glue. But we ain't gonna use the glue because we're gonna see if you could use it alone. I'm gonna like go like this so some fallout gets off. Here goes nothing. I'm just gonna press it on top. Ooh, she pretty. Okay, so she is sticking to the eye, which is good. Yes, I love that. Ooh, I went too high. Oh crap. Probably gonna have to buff that away. Run away, love. You could probably get more of like a opacity if you did use some glue, but that's not what I'm going for anyways. So I feel like all my looks have had this color story, so I want to switch it up and add some like purpleness to it. So I'm going to take a Resting Wish Face, which is this Barney looking color, and let's just pack this on the outer part. Ooh, that's a pretty color. And I'm just gonna use those same mattes on the lower lash line. Okay, so for the inner corner, I wanna use another shimmer. So I'm gonna go in with the color Break the Ice. And I'm just gonna pop it right here. Ooh, yes. That gave me the brightness I wanted. I was scared it was gonna be too dark. Well, it is a little bit more taupe than I wanted. What's with people nowadays? They don't make like icy bright shades for the inner corner, and that is like one thing I need for an everyday look. That shimmer is definitely going on better than the first one we used. And so that's all the eyeshadow I'm gonna do for today's look. Now I just need some liner and lashes. Okay, liner is on, but I remember that this kit actually comes with mascara, so I'm not gonna do lashes. I'm just gonna apply this one. So it actually comes with a mini size of the Better Than Sex mascara, and it's like in this limited edition candy cane looking packaging. And so I have already tried this mascara. It's really popular. To me, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I do like the waterproof a lot better than this formula, but for the sake of the video, I am going to be using this one. So moving on to the face, or should I say the head. So inside you get Chocolate Soleil bronzer, which is a cult favorite. I have already tried this. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to bronze my skin, and it smells so good. It actually doesn't smell like chocolate like the original. It does still smell like a cookie. I should have said contour because this is more of like a contour shade. I guess you could use it for both because it's not too cool tone, but it's just a really pretty color if you haven't used this before. And then I'm gonna switch to the middle one for the blush. Which blush should I use? I'm gonna go ahead and use Christmas Dreams, which is the darkest one. I feel like this lighter one won't even show up on me. Ooh, really pigmented. Yes. Okay, so the blush is a good formula. I've never tried this color. I think these are all like limited edition colors, but they work really good. This one is a matte, so you get 3 mattes and 1 shimmer blush. And then I'm gonna move back to this one for the highlight, and this is called Angel Wings. Let's see how she does. I'm very picky with highlight. I don't think I've ever tried a Too Faced highlighter. Just kidding, I have. That's a lie. I tried the other Christmas one from last year. Ooh, so pretty. I like it. It's like a soft kind of look. I tried fixing my hair before I did my makeup, like all the other cool beauty gurus, and it did not help my hair out. Like all my baby hairs are flying out now, but it's okay. So that is all for the Snow Girl kit. Now, it doesn't come with a lip product, but I do have something I want to try that's also from Too Faced. So this is the Gingerbread Girl Melted Liquid Lipstick. This is a burnt kind of red with hints of orange in it. It reminds me a lot of the color Brick from Dose of Colors. And so I'm gonna pop this baby on. Ooh, that smells good. It smells really sweet. It kind of smells like it's burnt though, like gingerbread got a little toasty in the oven, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully this goes with the look. I think it will. And I have already tried this formula. I love it. Last year I got the liquid lip set that came like in a little bundle. I'm so sad that they didn't do that again. Instead this year they did glosses, which didn't look the best to me. I love this color. It's maybe a little bit more warm than the Dose of Color one. Here, let me swatch them next to each other, just in case you have this one. So this top one right here is Dose of Colors Brick, and as you can see, it's just a little more cool tone. I mean, it's still like a burgundy shade, but this one just has a little bit more orange in it. Okay guys, so final thoughts. We're gonna start with the cons. So starting with the glitter. Since they do have one glitter in there, I wish that they included a little sample of the glitter glue, just because I feel like you need one, because if not, it kind of flies everywhere. And I do think some of the shimmers in here can be a little bit more foiled. For some reason, their shimmers are not always consistent. Like some of them are really good and some of them are not. Now, as for the mascara, I would have loved to see something different this year and maybe saw the Damn Girl, like a mini size of this in the holiday kit, just to like switch it up. Now for the pros, I loved the face products in here. The blushes are really pigmented and they go on really nicely, and the highlight and bronzer are just really nice as well. Another pro is with the eyeshadow palette. I love the mattes in here. They blend so nicely, even the deepest darkest brown, and they just have a lot of variety of colors, which I like. I do wish that they kind of like stuck together correctly, but those are all my final thoughts on this palette right here. As for the Gingerbread Girl lipstick, I absolutely love this. So that is going to be everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!